What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, naturally me, the young girl. Now let me tell you something right now, okay? Before you even watch this video, before you do anything, must I ask, subscribe to the channel. It's the best thing for you. I ain't gonna even tell you why. Girl, check out the rest of my tutorials, okay? Now today, girl, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I took my hair down. Girl, these edges is just cutting a rug bit. But that's okay. No problem, because she is growing back, okay? Don't worry, we're going to have a tutorial on that too. And I'm going to show y'all the before and after pictures because she is doing better. You know how you be embarrassed to talk about things like right there when you're going through it? Oh my God. I love myself, okay? It's not just about my hair. I love me as a person. But anyway. So in this video today, girls, I'm going to be doing my hair. Now, it's been a minute since I really did like that step by step with what I do with my hair. Now today, I'm not following anybody's regimen, no, none of that. I'm doing my own thing, okay? Between you and me, I don't even see nobody do this kind of stuff no more because, you know, because I used to like watching those hair videos where some girls just making love to their hair, girl. I'm talking about making love to their hair, massaging their scalp in the sink. They don't do that no more. But anyway, today I decided that I was going to use the Creme of Nature, okay? And this right here is a conditioner. Yeah. Come in. Let's see. Do you see it? All right. So this conditioner right here is infused with coconut water. It's a weightless cream rinse. Now, this ain't no shampoo, girl. I'm not using no shampoo on my hair today, okay? Because my hair has been, you know, going through some things, you know, little trials and tribulations. So this is my thing here, you know. Co-washing does not clean your hair. I answer that question for you. It only helps to strengthen the hair and also promotes more moisture in the hair, which sometimes can be good. You don't want to, you know, continue to co-wash every week. You don't want to make that your normal routine. You have to find a week and at least try to substitute a shampoo just to keep away any kind of fungus. You know, then you be looking like my fingernail here, finna just my fingernail, like seriously, story time, girl, you will see it. But anyway, so this is what I'm doing today. Now next week, if I decide to wash my hair, shampoo my hair, or whatever I do, I might not do that next week. I might not co-wash next week because that's not, you know, good for sanitary reasons. You know, you don't want fungus, then you don't want your scalp to be real irritated if you're anything like me. And if you have dandruff, girl, you need to just go ahead and shampoo that thing. Make sure your hair is sterilized and clean, babe. Before you even decide on co-washing anything, I'm just the truth come out, right? So I'm also gonna be deep conditioning with the coconut Shea, okay? And this is a deep conditioner treatment. Y'all, I'm still learning how to deal with her, okay? But anyway, this here is a deep treatment. Now I do have a lot of deep treatments, but today I thought maybe I want to use these little package, okay? And this is by Eden's Body Works. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but I actually love using any kind of Eden Body Works products because they make very good co-washes, okay? Now, co-washes are those conditioner that actually cleanse your hair, okay? It helps cleanse your hair. Now, I don't know scientifically, do it get your hair squeaky clean? But I know that the Eden's co-wash conditioner helps a lot. So I'm just using these two together today. It's not something that you have to do. You don't have to do it this way. I'm just doing it. So come along, girl. The light's gonna change. So don't judge me. Just do you, okay? Just be you, unique. All right? Come on. So, girl, as you notice, like I told you, the light is gonna change. So this is what you got. So I'm in the kitchen and I'm gonna wash my hair in the sink. However, I just ordered something from Amazon to help me wash my hair in the sink the right way because I really hate this thing here because I can't stick my head. I gotta really work hard, girl. I gotta do some aerobics, girl. Anyway, so we finna wash this hair. Now what I'm gonna do is just take my band off shampoo my hair. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna probably fast forward this part. I'll let you know when it comes on. Put it on. So guys, here I'm just gonna go ahead and use my conditioner. And look, I did say that this was Creme of Nature. I'm very familiar with Creme of Nature products. I don't know what made me say that, but this is Shea Moisture. So please forgive me for that. So I'm just gonna dispute this in my hair. And guys, let me tell you, while I was cleaning my hair with this shampoo, well, it's not shampoo, with this conditioner, my hair felt so freaking clean. And I mean, it just felt so nice when I got done with this. I was like, okay, am I giving myself a shampoo? Now, I don't know if that's happened, if that's a good thing, but for me, yeah, it is, because I was looking for moisture and I kind of got a little bit of both worlds, which I know that this conditioner is very hydrating because I used to use it all the time on my hair. And I've had it for a minute, so I decided that I wanted to go ahead and use it. So I will be putting this product in the description box. Again, it's the coconut water weightless cream rinse. And that's what made me think that it was Creme of Nature, because all I seen was cream. So forgive me for that, okay? This product is it's sulfate free. So if you guys have issues and you like your products to be, you know, free of all sulfates, this is good. And it's also safe for color hair. So about this bag though, I love putting them on my head whenever I'm shampooing my hair. And I need to deep condition my hair, and I love this because it's cheap. You don't have to pay for it. But anyway, baby, how about me having to bend over and take that hair over, honey, just to get it in the bag? What? That nigga buy me straight. The worst part that I hate about getting braids in my hair is the shedding that it takes over. I don't really like using this thing because it's not like, I won't recommend for you to get this because it's almost like it's a spaceship on top of your head. I just don't agree. So, desperate situations, desperate deep conditioning situation cause you to do this, because I have several dryers at home in Louisiana, but there's no need for me to buy another one. I actually hate these things, to tell you the truth. I just don't think that they're safe. But I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. I see a lot of girls talking about it, how great it is. No, I don't recommend this. You need a dryer to sit under, not a spaceship, you know? So anyway, because it makes me feel like it's gonna blow up my head or something. That is not anxiety talking. That is real life stuff. Ooh, Lord, gotta get these waters. Ooh. No waters. This sucks. This sucks, and I don't see. You couldn't pay me enough money to review this, okay? It ain't gonna happen. I ain't no way. I'm too scared. I'm scared of this thing. Watch this. Girls, y'all used to it. I know some of y'all probably got it at home. No. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna go on slow, because we don't want it high because it's really scary. Oh, wait a minute. Let me thank God it didn't go on, because the worst thing could happen to me. It blow off my head. Ooh, I do not like this. This is definitely. Are you scared, Alicia? I am. This is crazy. Okay, I'm not talking about it. I'm gonna edit that part. I ain't gonna talk about it too bad, but I am gonna say I don't recommend this. Okay. All right. So guys, I'm here in my bathroom, and I'm gonna use the Mimosa hair honey. I've been using this for quite some time. I like this because it helps keep my scalp, you know, nice and feeling good. You know, it gives me that nice menthol. It's really nice. So I'm just gonna use this. Now, however, must I tell y'all right now, I don't see what that conditioner really did for me. I don't. I don't see where it did anything, but I mean, I don't know. Maybe I don't know what I'm looking for yet. So I'm just gonna massage that on my scalp, on my edges first. You know, because you need to show those edges tender love and care. So guys, I'm just going throughout my hair, parting my hair. It doesn't have to be the best part. So I'm just going in every section and kind of twisting it up. It doesn't matter how big you twist it. It doesn't matter. Just twist it up. Make sure it's nice and juicy and it falls like this. So in the front, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to do some flat twists in the front so we can speed up this process because I don't want to keep y'all all day. So guys, here as you guys see in the front area of my hair, I'm going to flat twist the strands. I'm going to flat twist it or whatnot. And every last one, I'm going to flat twist from here. And just so it can be easy to kind of pull to the back without pulling any hair. This will be great. So keep watching, girl. And hey, if you're still here with me, give me a thumbs up on this video and also subscribe to the channel. So guys, as you see, that's how the rest of my twist is going to look in the front. And then I'm going to continue on and start to the styling process, which is the most best part of styling. So guys, I really do like the Mimosa products from Kara's daughter. It's really nice. I really like the way my hair feels. Like, it's helping my hair get soft as well. You know? So, they said some kind of pomade. It's really nice. So, I'm going to be sure to bring that back to you guys. And do check out the description. Okay? If you want to know any of the products that I've shown in this video used, from the spaceship helmet to the dryer that I use, do look in the description box and there you will see that. All right? Now, before you leave, if you're still here with me, give me a big thumbs up and also smile in the comment section. And also, girl, like this video because it did take some time. Now, girl, as you guys see me, I am pinning up the back of the hair. All right, giving it a nice pin up. You know, this the part here. You just do what you want. Do what you wanna. Hey, do what you wanna. So, I'm pinning up the back and the sides. And I'm looking for bobby pins because, girl, you know that's something I don't miss when I be doing my hair. Looking for bobby pins. But I found some, though. Now, in the midst of messing around with my hair, I realized that them edges and everything needed some tender loving care. So, I had to make something happen, girl, because I really just didn't feel like going to the barbershop today. I just said, you know what? Let me just, girl, I was touching it, and my finger was getting cut back there. So I said, let me go grab these walnuts now. Let me go and get them, because, ooh, girl, let's get these peanuts in section. So I am going to go ahead and do it on camera. I'm just going to line myself up back and front. Now, if you don't agree with that, I'm sorry to hear that. you don't agree with it, but I've been doing it since I was 16, lining myself up from razor blades to everything, okay? Well, I ain't never, tweezers because they hurt. But anyway, I've been doing this for a long, long time, and don't worry, I'm a licensed cosmetologist. Now, guys, I really hope you guys enjoy hanging with me today. I really did enjoy you. I really, really did. I really, really did. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, you already know what to do because I done told you over and over again in the video. Subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you can be notified whenever I make a video. And it also tell YouTube that I'm doing my part here, okay? It's telling them I'm joining you and I'm doing my part, so help your girl out. And don't be afraid, girl. Go check out some more videos that I have. I would love to see you there. Catch y'all later. Bye.